In this video, I will explain to you how you can effectively enrich the garden beds that become available by the end of the summer season with free nitrogen. Well, as you all probably already know, nitrogen is indeed the #1 essential element that plants truly need according to the NPK formula. N stands for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and K for potassium. Friends, these are the three elements. And among these three essential elements, nitrogen comes first. In fact, there is a huge amount of nitrogen all around us. Its concentration in the atmosphere is about 78%. Just think about that number. Oxygen, the gas we breathe, makes up only 21% of the atmosphere, while nitrogen is 78%. But unfortunately, even though there is a huge amount of nitrogen around us and around plants, this atmospheric nitrogen is not accessible to plants, and they cannot use it for their development. That is precisely why chemical plants have been built, where atmospheric nitrogen is converted through various chemical reactions into forms that can be used for growing plants. In my hands, I have ammonium nitrate. This is essentially atmospheric nitrogen, but processed, and now I can use it for growing plants. But what we're going to talk about is how to go to the store less often, buy less nitrate or urea, and so on. Although, unfortunately, it will also be difficult to do without these. So friends, it's long been known that after cultivating 1 hectare of leguminous plants, the soil gains about 150 to 300 kilograms of nitrogen. Without adding nitrogen, simply by growing certain types of plants, we can enrich our soil with nitrogen. Empty plots, whether we leave them idle until spring and just remove excess weeds, or we put them to good use right now by simply sowing one of the green manure crops capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen and enriching these vacant plots with that nitrogen. But unfortunately, not all types of green manure crops are suitable for enriching the soil with nitrogen. Sainfoin, alfalfa, clover, peas, beans, lupine, and so on. These are the ones. So, in addition to improving the structure, we are also enriching the soil with nitrogen. So if you have any empty spots in your garden, or if they've already appeared, don't miss the opportunity. Sow them with legumes or other green manure crops. Friends, I'll wrap up the video here. Thank you for your attention. All the best to you. Goodbye. See you next time.